Hi, this is Rebecca with Maid Central, and in this video we're going to be going over the build highlights from yesterday, which was Thursday, July 30th, 2020. So we had some features and some fixes. Features included updates to 2 reports. We also have it so that authorized.net users will know when a new credit card has been added indicated by the default. So that would be the most recent card entered. We updated the team list report, added columns so that you can see from the main page if the team is set to start at the home or office or end at the home or office. And then there was a few fixes as well that are listed here on this spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and go over some of the reports that were updated. First up was the service at pricing. We added columns for wet, dry, and other rooms. And we also updated pending jobs to be future pending job count. So let's go ahead over to our reports. It's under all reports. And when you're at all reports, it's easy to search here if you know the name of the report, or if you know what features are or functionality it has that you're looking for, you can also search that way. Your service set reports are actually at the very bottom. So service set pricing is the report that we're talking about that had some updates done to it yesterday. So here we go. So we scroll across here. We've got some new columns, including the pending jobs. You can see here we've also added some tooltips about these columns. Completed jobs means jobs with the status of pending or closed that have timesheets. Pending jobs are future pending jobs. And then we added 3 new columns towards the end that include the number of wet, dry, or other rooms in the home. And all of this will be used in that example that Tom gave you yesterday and a new report that he'll be sharing with everyone next week. Also updated was the dispatch board. We updated hours columns to be labor hours and added a column for job count. There was also a fix to that report on the column team size. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Again, we can go to reports, all reports, and we're looking for our dispatch board. We've talked about this report quite a bit lately because there's been a lot of things that we've added to it, and it's a very, very useful report. So let's go ahead and look at next week. So the updates included allowed labor hours and actual labor hours. And there was a bug with the team size column, so that's all been corrected. And we also added the status of the job to the last column as well. So again, this report is super useful when you're looking for particular things. You just show your advanced features, and you can go through and use your tags and plan for your week. Say you want to find all of next week who you need to give your welcome bags to. You could go and find that easily on this report. Okay, so when it comes to adding credit cards, the customer can do that from their portal. If you have that feature turned on, you can get a notification in the form of an open ticket. And to know which card was the most recent, it's going to be your default card. So internally, you could also do that. So I've got a customer's account open here. And the correction that we made was for authorized.net users. You can see here that it shows that I have a default credit card in here because I just have one entered. So I'm going to go ahead and add a second credit card to show you that it will switch and update to the most recent card. So that way you know when someone has added a card that you can delete the old card. So just by adding this new card, it's going to update, and that is now my default card. So that feature is working for both Stripe and authorized.net users now. Okay, and finally we have on reports under company, under company teams. Now from the actual landing page, you can see what status you have your team set up to start and end their day, either at the home or the office. And so you can now see this all here from the landing page. And those were the new features that were added in the build on Thursday, July 31st, 2020. Thank you. Have a great day.